Are you thinking about making a move to Manhattan Beach, California? Well, in this video, we're going to cover 10 key aspects that you might want to know before you make a move into Manhattan Beach. Hi, my name is Steve Batiste. I'm the broker owner of Next Home West Realty, and we get calls, emails, and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make their move into Southern California. So whether it be 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I'd love to help you make a smooth transition into the area. Now let's get into this. Aspect number one is location. Hermosa Beach is part of the South Bay area of the greater Los Angeles area. It is bordered by the Pacific Ocean on the west, Hermosa Beach to the south, El Segundo to the north, and the city of Hawthorne to the east. So here you can see it on the map right here. And aspect number two is the climate. Hermosa Beach being on the ocean, there are, during the winter time, it's especially this year, we've been getting a lot of rain this winter, which is unusual. It seems like it's been raining for the last 6 months. I mean, not really, but it seems like it's been raining a lot. Normally we don't get this much rain. Normally it'll rain for about, a week to 2 weeks at the most. And then, the rest of the year it's 75 degrees, sunny, dry, heat, not a lot of humidity. I moved out here from the East Coast years ago, and one of the things that I moved away from was humidity. Sometimes you miss, the change of seasons, but it is very close to, if you want to go skiing, you can go up to the mountains and go skiing. If you want to go out in the desert, you can drive out to the desert. So everything's pretty close in proximity to the city. Number three is population. As of the 2020 census, there were about 35,000 residents in the city. It's a predominantly affluent area with a high medium household income, and there's a very low poverty rate in Manhattan Beach. So, very affluent area. Aspect number four is the beaches and recreation. The city's main attraction is a beautiful, about a little over 2 mile stretch of sandy beach, which is ideal for like swimming, surfing, beach volleyball down there. There's the Manhattan Beach Pier, which is very popular during the winter. It's decorated with, looks like kind of like a Christmas tree. It's really cool. You got to, even if you don't live in Manhattan Beach or you choose not to move there, you got to go down there around Christmas time to see that. It's actually kind of unique. The homes along the beach, offer a great view, stunning shoreline. There's a boardwalk or oceanfront walkway, which is perfect for walking, biking, and jogging. And when you go down there, pretty much any time of the year, any time of day, you'll see people down there enjoying the beach. Pretty safe neighborhood as well. So that's definitely a key factor in moving to Manhattan Beach. Number five is the neighborhoods. There are about 6 different neighborhoods in Manhattan Beach, and I'll kind of show you on the map over here. So you have down here, you have the sand section, which is going to run along this area right in here. Then you have the tree section. The tree section is going to be up in this area, right up in here, like northeast of the sand section. You'll have the hill section, which is down in this area of Manhattan Beach. So when you're looking at homes, you're going to see, sand section, hill section, tree section. Up here, you're going to have Manhattan Village area, right up in this area up here north of Marine Avenue. Now, in this section is called Liberty Village, and below that is Miracosta. So these are the 6 different neighborhoods in Manhattan Beach. And let me zoom out so you can kind of see where it is in proximity to the rest of, Southern California. LAX is right here. So if you need to get to the airport, just right up the road. So pretty close, pretty convenient. 405 runs right along, over here. So very, very convenient neighborhood or area to live in. Number 6 is the school system. Manhattan Beach is served by Manhattan Beach Unified School District, which has several highly rated schools, including Miracosta High School and Manhattan Beach Middle School. There's also several private schools in the area as well. Great school system as well in Manhattan Beach. It's a really good school system. Number 7 is the economy and employment. Manhattan Beach is close to downtown LA. It's a very diverse culture. Anything you can think of, any type of career, you're going to find really close by. I mean, you're in one of the largest populations in the country, and pretty much anything you can think of or any career you want to do. But a lot of people move to Manhattan Beach because it's just a safe, great community. Aspect number 8 is shopping and dining. There are a lot of upscale shopping centers in Manhattan Beach, particularly in the downtown Manhattan Beach Boulevard area and Highland Avenue. You'll find a variety of restaurants and boutiques and like a lot of specialty shops, some really good restaurants, good shopping centers. So shopping is pretty abundant in Manhattan Beach. Aspect number 9 is the events and festivals. The city hosts several annual events, such as the Manhattan Beach Open Volleyball Tournament, International Surf Festival, the Manhattan Beach Hometown Fair, the Pumpkin Race, and the Holiday Fireworks Show. And aspect number 10, which makes the city very accessible, is the transportation. So as I mentioned before, you're really close to LAX in the 405 freeway. It's very easy to get in and out of downtown Manhattan Beach. So if you want a nice community that is easily accessible, close to pretty much anything you could even imagine. Like I said, we're close to the mountains, close to the desert, the ocean's right there. Price point's kind of high, but it's a great place to live. So if you're thinking about making a move to Manhattan Beach and you need some more information, you want to take a look around, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I would love to help. If you're getting any value out of these videos, please consider subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I put up other videos on living in Southern California.